Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today we are going to be tackling my front door front door scape for fall, and I'm showing you just my little collection of items I have to style with for this season. I did some unboxing, so I showed you guys the metal pumpkin collection, my grapevine pumpkins. The box has grapevine pumpkins and wreaths, a couple of more garlands, and just garlands there in bags of foliage. Those are two garlands that I've used from two different years. As you can tell, I like doing the traditional fall colors, so that's one garland or wreath I did for last year, and that one was from several years ago. So I'm going to combine those two to create something fabulous. So let me show you guys another fabulous find of mine. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've had these two little urns here for quite some time. I picked them up from a flea market for 20 bucks for the set, and they have served me well. Although the inside, my little chargers that I use to do my little centerpiece and arrangement on, they have had their fair share of wear, so I'm gonna discard those. But let me show you something, you guys. Look what I found. I can't say I found. These beautiful urns were a, believe it or not, free find. I still have my spring summer wreath on the door, but I'm going to give my door a fabulous makeover. Again, these are free finds because I won't say confiscated them, but they were at my dad's house and he was not doing anything with them. They were just sitting on the porch, naked as they are. So I said to him several times, listen, I'm going to take those urns if you don't do anything with them. So he said I could get them, so I scored big time on those. So what I'm going to do is, as you can tell, I have some spray paint out here. I'm going to give them all, along with my rug, a nice little refresh, and we are going to begin styling. So I'm so excited about these beautiful, as you can see, it's a substantial difference in size. Let me set them side by side so you can compare. Big difference. So yes, your girl's getting a front porch upgrade. I love the urns. I think I'm gonna probably try to find some pedestals to elevate them for maybe the back porch or something, my patio. But for now, we are going to style up these babies for the next season. So Okay, you guys, here it is up close and personal. I absolutely love the results. I love it when a plan just comes together. This is not what I had envisioned, but it's exactly what was needed for this particular space. This was my no-cost fall makeover. I absolutely love it. These urns, again, I don't know if you remember, I told you, or maybe I didn't mention it. These were a fabulous free find. I won't say a find. I just confiscated them from my dad because he wasn't using them. They were sitting on his porch all by their lonesome, so I brought them home, gave them a nice sprucing up along with my doormat. I painted everything the same color. It is called the Brushed Amber. I absolutely love it. And then I just began to layer up everything, you guys. All of these items were purchased at 75 or 90% off from the At Home store. My entire Grapevine pumpkin collection is all from the At Home store, with the exception of the large one that is from Michael's. But everything else was purchased from the At Home store. You saw me take my old door garland and just give her a nice upgrade. I zhuzhed her up by layering on other pieces that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and I believe some of these items came from the At Home store. Yes, the orange garland, the beaded garland came from the At Home store, as well as the pumpkins came from the At Home store. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go in a little closer. I just layered on item after item. I made this, you guys, on a Walmart Christmas garland because all you need that to use as is a foundation. And so from there I layered on the beautiful deco mesh. I love deco mesh, and this one to me speaks fall. It has a burgundy and orange ombre effect to it, so I layered that on. And then from there I had a garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby several years ago. It's a grapevine garland. I don't know if you can see that in there. So that kind of spoke to the theme of the space. It's all about the grapevine pumpkins, the grapevine garland. Everything just kind of tells a similar story. So from there I layered on the beaded orange garland. I added the pumpkins, then the floral picks, and then I added some extra flowers from a revamped floral arrangement from last year. This was just absolutely so easy to do. You saw me do it, and it turned out beautifully. I love the dramatic effect of the long garland. I love it. My initial plan was to do something around the entire perimeter of the door, but we're not allowed to drill into the concrete here in this home, and the adhesive that I had were not sticking, so you have to improvise. But I'm so glad with the end result. This just speaks fall. It says warm and welcoming. It's inviting. So beautiful. I love it all. So here you guys have it. It is my autumn beauty. I love it. And I couldn't do the actual fall tree inside, so this kind of gives me that fall tree vibe. I created a fall topiary using my grapevine pumpkins and just layered on the fall garland, the fall leaf garland, and then added just a few floral picks. I love it. And I love how the beaded wreath there ties in with the beaded garland on that piece. It just makes everything again tie in so beautifully. So gorgeous. I am loving it. Now what didn't make the cut for this particular design are my metal pumpkins. I just felt like they just didn't tie in with the vibe of this particular setup. So here it is, you guys, my 2019 fall front door scape. If this is your first time visiting, I want to say welcome to TMB Designs, and I want to invite you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of this fabulous TMB family. It is a lifestyle channel full of content such as what you see, And we would love to have you be a part. I also would like to interact with you on my other social media platforms, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. Now to my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day.